Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and securing your account. Use two-step login to protect drafts. Next, upload a single draft file or paste your text so PaperPal can parse structure and references. Once done, choose the target audience and the journal or citation style. This guides suggestions and tone. Make sure to set language and academic level because PaperPal tailors feedback to those settings. You're ready for the first automated review and suggested edits. You run the automated review and watch PaperPal flag grammar, clarity, structure issues, and missing or inconsistent references. It also highlights methodological gaps. Then use the rewrite and summarize tools to condense paragraphs or adjust tone, and toggle suggestion strength to preserve voice. As you accept edits, Track Changes mode shows differences so you can compare versions side by side. Once the middle stage edits feel cohesive, export a clean draft for site. You export the polished file to docx or PDF, or sync with Overleaf or Google Docs for collaborative finishing touches. Confirm layout and figure placement after export. Then run the final citation and reference check to ensure formats and DOIs are correct, and update any newly added sources manually. If PaperPal gives unexpected edits or misses references, clear your browser cache, re-upload the draft, and rerun review. If problems persist, contact support and include a short sample and steps to reproduce so they can help quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.